Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel AppleWiz. In today's video, we're going to see how you can install apps on any iPhone devices. Well, it is a very easy and simple process, so let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you'd have to do is open your app store that is by default on any of your iPhone devices. So after opening your app store, you can simply just tap on the search icon that you can see in the bottom right corner of your phone, just like this. And now your search page has been opened and you can simply just tap on this search bar right here and then start typing the app that you want to install on your iPhone devices. For example, I'm going to search for Truecaller app. So after you have typed down the name of the app, you can simply just tap on the search button on your keyboard just like this. And after doing so, the desired app will be shown. You can simply just tap on the app that you want to download just like this. And here you can see there is currently the cloud-like icon on the Truecaller app since I have already downloaded it before. So you can simply just tap on this icon like this and you can see the download process has now begun. So if you haven't downloaded the app previously on your iPhone, there will be the requirement of your Face ID, Touch ID, or the password of your Apple account. For example, I'm going to show you guys. For example, I want to download this application on my phone, Truecaller ID and number search. And here you can see there is currently the get option since I have not previously downloaded this app on my phone. You can simply just tap on the get option like this. And here you can see now my Face ID will be required just like this. And you can see only now the download process will be begun. And here you can see Truecaller app has now successfully been installed on my iPhone. After the successful installation, there will be the option of open just like this one. You can simply just tap on this open button in order to open the application. Just like this, here you can see now the Truecaller has been opened on my iPhone. And that is it. That is how you can install apps on any iPhone devices. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.